Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Pilot. This has all-wheel drive. And that is sounding smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And this vehicle has a lot of LEDs on it, so if any of them appear to flicker at all, it's a refresh rate of the camera that does that. Okay, you see that it does have fog lights and painted alloy wheels. Has wind diffusers on the windows, and then it does have the window shades on that second row. And this is a special edition, so if you see SE in any of the collateral, that's what it's talking about. See, it does have additional space under here. Black leather interior. Okay, there's a second row, leather seats, there's the third row. You do have two USB ports back here, cup holders in the doors, and those are the window shades, the retractable window shades that I referred to earlier. Right here you've got the VIN, two driver presets, and I will upload some still photos as well. As you look down here, you'll see that it's 15,880 miles on this vehicle. And this is playing, so... Okay, that sounds good. Alright, so we do have paddle shifters here, cruise control, push to talk, stereo controls. Coming over here, you got your push button start. And you do have heated front seats. And a wireless charging station, additional power outlets there. You have a push button style shifter, cup holders, and there's your key fob, and you do have remote start. And down here you have additional power outlets as well. Honda's done a fantastic job with that. Okay, there are your other comfort controls, and as you come up here, well, we're going to go up to the sunroof first. We can close that up and see it a little bit better. So there's your sunroof, and then your glasses holder also doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see the folks there in back. And then you got your map reading lights there. Now it's much easier to see now that we have the sunroof closed up. We can jump over to AM FM, and then you do have your Bluetooth audio right here in your phone. And then you do have Android Auto and Apple Carplay, which are the apps that I use in my daily driver for navigation. There's the backup camera right there in HD. And that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front and center. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.